want him, you can have him. He's not worth fighting for. Besides, there's plenty more where he came from. I don't want him, you can have him. I'm giving him the sack so he can go right back where he came from. I'm afraid I never loved him. He'd be better off with you. I could never make him happy. All I ever wanted to do was run my fingers through his curly locks, mend his underwear and darn his socks, fetch his slippers and remove his shoes, wipe his glasses when he read the news, rub his forehead with a gentle touch, mornings after when he had a little too much, kiss him gently when he cuddled near, give him babies one for every year. So you see that you can have him. I don't want him, I don't want him, you can have him, because he's not the man for me. Then I'd close the windows while he soundly slept. Then I'd raid the icebox where the food is kept. I'd fix him breakfast that would please him most. Eggs and coffee and some buttered toast. And when they'd been read, spend the balance of the day in bed. So you see that you can have him. I don't want him, I don't want him. You can have him, because he's not my man. I don't want him, you can have him, you can have him. I don't want him, you can have him. I don't want him, because he's not the man for me. I would like to sing a song for the man I'm going to marry. He happens to be in the audience this evening. He also happens to be my ex-husband.